Sir, I am Achal Binaning. I am here to recite Article 13, which is a mitigating circumstance. Mitigating circumstance. The following are mitigating circumstances. The first one is those mentioned in the preceding chapter when all the requisites necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in the respective cases are not attended. Number two or second, and the offender is under 18 years of age or over 70 years. In the case of minor, he shall be proceeded against the accordance with the provision of Article 80. And number three, and the offender had no intention to commit to so grave or wrong as that committed. And number four, the sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately preceded the act. Number five, the act was committed in the immediate vindication of a grave offense to the one committing the felony, his spouse, ascendants, or relatives by affinity within the same degrees. Number six, that having an act upon impulse so powerful as natural to have a produce a passion or obfus obfuscation. And number seven, the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to the person and the authority or his agents, or that he had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence for the prosecution. And number eight, the offended is deaf and dumb, blind, or otherwise suffering some physical defect, which is thus restricts this means action, defense, or communication with his fellow beings. And number nine, such illness of the offended as would diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offended party offended without however depriving him of the consciousness of his acts. And the last is number 10. And finally, the other circumstances of a similar and natural nature of analogous those above and those above those above mentioned.